Hey everybody, this is Warning Coordination Meteorologist Eric Hayden, work with the National Weather Service office in Newport, Morehead City. I know we usually don't see a lot of snow in our area. We tend to see more, especially inland areas toward Kinston and Greenville. But we have something very exciting this upcoming winter, something new we will be doing for the first time. That's snowfall probability graphics or maps. First place you need to go is our website. That's at the top. It's weather.gov and then put /MHX. Once you're to our website, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll see a lot of icons, but I want you to click on the one that says winter weather with the snowflakes. And that will take you to our forecast page. A lot of new information on this page. One thing that is the same, that is our official snowfall forecast. You can have this as a point or you can have this as a range. So this is our official forecast. This is what we actually think will happen in terms of the snowfall amount. Now the thing that is different is we're trying to show you a wide range of possibilities to show where we're confident and in some cases where we're not. So we have two additional graphics to help with that. The first one is the 1 in 10 chance graphic. And what that is, that's the reasonable worst case scenario. So this is an example from the 8th of December 2017. A lot of the snow was toward Raleigh and Richmond and some big snows down toward Atlanta, Georgia. As far as we're concerned, we didn't see a lot in our area, and this graphic is showing that the worst case scenario, the 10% chance, would be just a less than an inch up toward Greenville and also Williamston. The other graphic is expect at least this much. This is 90% chance of this happening. In this case, nothing. So it's most likely we probably won't see much out of this event. So those are a couple of the graphics I want to highlight. If you click on the forecast itself, you can scroll through it. You can see what our forecast is, the worst case, and expect at least this much pretty quickly. So that's one recommendation I'll give for you. Want to quickly show you the bottom of the page, then I'm going to jump up to Wakefield, Virginia, because they actually have snow with this event, so this will stand out more. Another neat thing is looking at a threshold. Are we going to get an inch, 4 inches, just 1/10 of an inch? This is the percent chance that could happen. So in this case, the percent that we'll see 1/10 of an inch or more snow, about a 10 to 30% chance the northwest part of the area. Again, this is for December 8th, 2017. Chance of more than 4 inches of snow, 0 in this one. So a very, very neat tool that we're using here out of the office in Newport. And the last way you can do it, if you're a table person, maybe you just want to see the values themselves and you don't want to see a map. This is county based, so it defaults to a bunch of cities in our area. And at the top under county, you can select your county. So in this case, we'll select Carteret, and then we'll have some select cities on there for you. So Beaufort, Cedar Island, Newport, and then again on the far left are the cities, and on the right the chance that you'll see more snow than that. So you can do it as a range or you can click on exceedance. So a lot of information to digest. This is experimental, so one thing I want to point out is at the top there's a part that you can leave feedback. Please do so. We have made tremendous improvements with these graphics. Some of our sister offices up toward Binghamton and parts of the northeast part of the country have done these for a couple years now, and they continue to improve. So give us feedback. We're certainly using that. And if you want more information on it, there is a product description on the middle part of the page. Now, I do want to turn your attention to showing you a couple of the graphics in real time. This is Wakefield, Virginia, the 8th of December 2017. They have a winter storm warning up there and winter weather advisory. So in this case, where we were not expecting snow in our area, Wakefield, the office up by Richmond, Virginia, they certainly were. So I want to jump through these and show you again in real time when we actually have snowfall amounts. We're going to click on the official forecast. We'll say a range, and we'll click on that. And so for this particular event, they were forecasting 4 to as much as 8 inches of snow across the southeast part of Virginia and much lesser amounts down into North Carolina. As we go forward, this is the worst case scenario. Again, that 10% chance that they could have as much as 9 inches of snow just north of Richmond and on the Delmarva toward places like Cambridge and Salisbury. So again, official forecast, and I'm just using my cursors to go back and forth. The official, worst case, official, worst case. Very, very nice graphics. We'll go forward one more. This is the expect at least this much, 90% chance that this is going to happen. We're going to see 2 inches of snow at least, Farmville, Hanover, Richmond. So pretty confident we'll see at least some snow in Richmond. Could be as much as this, and that's what we're forecasting. So hopefully seeing that in real time helps you out just a little bit. And again, at the bottom of the page, you can say, well, are we going to see at least an inch of snow? So here's this graphic here, at least a 90% chance in the Richmond area of at least an inch or more of snow. Again, this is a first week to 10 days of December. As I go forward, 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches. So as you kind of scroll through, you can see where the higher probabilities are. And that really emphasizes that the heaviest snow for this forecast as of Friday evening on the 8th was for Richmond northward to see the highest snow. So we'll wrap things up. I just wanted to show you a little bit more with a real case scenario up toward the Richmond, Virginia area. If you've got any questions, send us an email. My email is Eric, ERIK.Hayden, HEDEN, @NOAA.gov. Thank you very much.